friends, welcome to Shanti Yoga channel. Today I am going to do full body strengthening yogasanas. Come, let's go to video.
Sakrasana, wheel pose. Lie on your back with bend your knees. Raise your arms, fold your elbows and rest your palms beside your ears with finger pointing towards the shoulder. Slowly lift your head from the floor. You should hold this position for 30 seconds. Slowly come back and relax. Paschimottanasana. You sit on your yoga mat and straighten your legs. Keep your spine erect position. As you inhale, you raise your both hands up. As you exhale, your hands move forward, touches the toes. Let your forehead rest on your knees. You should hold this position 20 to 30 seconds. Slowly come back and relax. Dhanurasana. Lie on your stomach and your arms by the side of your body. Fold your knees. Take your hands backward and hold your ankle. Slowly breathe in. Lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and back. You keep this position stable for 20 seconds. As you breathing out, gently bring your legs and chest to the ground and you take rest. Halasana. Lie on your back with legs and feet together. Lift your legs and over your head, touch the toes to the floor. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. You should hold this position 30 seconds. Slowly you come back and relax. Ardha Uttatrasana. Camel pose. Fold your legs and sit on your heel. This is Vajrasana. Slowly stand on your knees. Slowly bend your head back and place your hands on ankle. You hold this position 20 to 30 seconds. You come back slowly and relax. Viparita Karani. Lie on your back with hands to the side of your body. Bring your legs up to the right angle from the floor. Slowly lift your spine off the floor. Bring the hands to support to the sacrum bone. As you get comfortable, you stay in the position minimum 20 seconds. Slowly bring your legs down and relax.
Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, you like, share and subscribe to Shanti Yoga channel. Thank you.